In how many ways can the letters in the word beekeeper be rearranged so that no two E's are adjacent? In other words, two or more E's must never appear next to each other. The choices are A. 1, B. 4, C. 12, D. 24, E. 120. You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's look at the letters. Beekeeper has 9 letters. 5 of them are E's, and the other 4 are all different. B, K, P, and R. Our plan is to first place the 4 non-E letters, then slot the E's into the spaces between them. First, arrange the 4 different letters B, K, P, and R. There are 4 choices for the first spot, 3 for the next, 2 for the next, and 1 for the last. That's 4 factorial, which equals 24 ways. Now here's the clever part. Once the 4 letters are placed, they create 5 gaps, 1 before each letter and 1 after the last. If we drop an E into a gap, no two E's from different gaps can touch. We have exactly 5 gaps and exactly 5 E's, so there is only one way to fill them. Put 1 E in every gap. So the total number of arrangements is 24 times 1, which is 24. The answer is 24, which is choice D.